Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing your environment. Create a virtualenv and install speech recognition, plus an audio backend like Pi Audio or Sound Device. Once done, grant microphone permission and run a short recording to confirm input levels and device index. Make sure to note the device ID so you can select it explicitly in code. You do this now so later steps focus on processing and recognition instead of driver errors. It speeds debugging and keeps results reproducible across machines. Next, write code to capture audio and prepare it for recognition. Stream or record a WAV buffer, then normalize volume and trim leading/trailing silence to reduce noise. Convert the waveform to 16kHz, 16-bit mono PCM, because many recognizers expect that format. Once converted, save a short sample file and test feeding it into speech recognition's audio file wrapper. This step ensures audio quality and format won't be the reason recognition fails later on. Finally, call the recognizer. Choose an API like Recognize Google for quick testing or a local model such as Vosk for offline reliability. Wrap calls in try/ except to catch unknown value error and request error, and implement short timeouts to keep the app responsive. Once you see transcripts, compare them against logged audio and tweak preprocessing thresholds or model parameters. If things go wrong, check sample rate mismatch first. Most errors come from incorrect audio format, not the recognizer itself.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.